Hey, baby.
Hey.
So this is a resort. We're staying at the RIU Palace. Really nice. The pools are nice and big. Swim up bars over there. Ooh, hello. Okay, just getting her greens in early morning. Yes, girl. What am I gonna have? I think I'm gonna have beet and carrot mixed again. So it has been a long couple days of traveling, but we're in Cabo. We arrived last night. We had like a really quick dinner and some drinks. Went to bed early, got up this morning, gym, and now we're at the beach with all of our friends. Hey!
Hello!
Hey! You can see the arc from our hotel here. So beautiful. We're staying at the RIU Palace in Cabo San Lucas, and so far so good. Today is just going to be a chill beach day, pool day, hanging out with our friends and relaxing, having some drinks. So this is the morning view of the famous rock formations in Cabo from our room. It's a super beautiful day today. There's like zero clouds in the sky, and it's pretty hot already. So today we're just getting up slowly. We're gonna go to the buffet for breakfast, which is actually surprisingly good. They have a lot of like fresh squeezed juices, like even beet, carrot juice, green juice, an omelet station, and it's really yummy. So we're gonna go to breakfast, and then at about 10:30 we're gonna leave the resort. We're actually gonna hike up Mount Solmar, which is this mountain right here. Mountain, I say. So yeah, we're going to take that on today. Apparently it's a beautiful view of the arch and the Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach and just all of Cabo San Lucas. So we're really excited to do that, and we'll see you at the top. Alrighty, it's about 10:30. We just got to Mount Solmar. You have to talk to Enrique if you come here to hike. He's super nice, and his dogs are awesome, and he has lots of tips for the hike. So we're about to go up, just at the beginning. Let's go. Hi, ladies. Hello, friends.
Bye, friends.
I think that's all of our other peeps who are going on a fun little snorkeling cruise today, but we're in it for the workout.
Look at that.
It's like cloud?
The whales are jumping if you want to see them.
Where?
Right there.
No.
Alrighty, whales jumping.
Oh!
Where?
Where? Oh yeah! Alright, whales spotted jumping. Oh my god. When they say that the hike up is worth the view, they're so right. It's so beautiful. Check out this one's, I think this one's Divorce Beach. And then Lovers Beach is somewhere over here as well. It's kind of hidden from us right now. And you can see Neptune's finger. I think that's it. And then the arch, of course, is at the end, but can't see it from here. But wow, so you can see Cabo and the marina, all the resorts, Sea of Cortez, and the Pacific Ocean. you get to eat?
A lot of food. I got some organic chicken tacos.
Oh, fancy. Flank steak for me. Guacamole.
Oh wow, that's fucking tender.
Yes. Let's eat. Just heading to dinner. I found, ooh, all in white, the bride. Donna, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Hello.
Followers.
This is Donna, the bride. This is who we're here for. The main event. Greg.
I don't know, but every single time.
Is this your first video?
No.
Like, slide down. Yeah,
So we are headed to sushi dinner tonight. And these guys are going to
We
Mexican.
got tables already for buffet. No.
Scott, what's good?
Me.
Say something.
Say something. Okay, well, it's 2018,
It is.
and congratulations to Donna and Greg.
Yeah?
And I'm looking forward to Tuesday night.
Yeah? Cheers.
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 See ya.
That's the best man. Sunday night. We're leaving our resort. So we're staying at the RIU Palace, and RIU's and Faye's right beside us. They have a disco. We're gonna go check it out. See if it's any good. Get a couple dances. And who knows? Monday today, day before the wedding. We're all just chilling by the pool, working on our last minute tans. Getting a little bronzed up right before the wedding. And tonight I have to go do the trial for Donna's wedding makeup. And I might actually film that just to see. I have the new Anastasia Hills Soft Glam palette, so we'll see how that works. Soak up some fun. Donna, here's the bride. Cutie. Hey guys. Yes, Bucky looking good. Check this hottie. You single?
Single, ready to mingle.
Ooh, lucky me. Alright, it is rehearsal dinner time. I just finished doing the bride's makeup trial. So it looks beautiful. I did my makeup as well with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, as I said. Kind of as a trial as well to see if this is how I'm gonna do all the bridesmaids. So we'll see how it goes. us.
I have safety pins. I don't even know which remote was mine.
We did it. Well, she did it. And we were there.
Oh, it's a video?
And everyone else.
Oh yeah, work it, Donna. Work it. This is all you. Woo! Damn. Damn, damn,
All done
damn.
and dusted, and she's married.
Done and
Can you
dusted.
stop? Bridget. Hola.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. My mind goes aside from my soul. 1, 2, there goes a sight from my soul. 3.
Justin's on the camera today. It's been a long wedding night. A lot of drinks, a lot of dancing. Sammy Ross is looking like a... Sammy Burke is looking like a tired woman. A lot of work today. Let's look at this. Come on. This is the face of a lot of hard work, a lot of makeup, a lot of mental preparation. Even the laugh is sarcastic and slow.
It's like Sunday.
Time to leave, Dan.
I'm gonna miss it.
You are Justin.
Time to leave, back to Burmy.
Going back to China sucks.
Lee?
Don't just laugh at me. Just
Yeah, I'm not that side. I miss my girl squad.